welcome. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, my name is Athena, and my mom got this machine to cook. So let's use it. My first time using it. Here's the instructions. I'm making some pizza. What can go wrong? So I skimmed the instructions, and I have the recipe right here. Let's go. So here we have the ingredients and the mustard. So I mixed the olive oil and the tomato sauce. I spread it out. I'm gonna add some cheese. Alright, it's looking kind of bland, so maybe let's go and get something else. Ham. Alright, so I added some ham. I know it looks a little weird, but whatever. And I think I'm going to add some spinach to it. I added some different cheeses in the spinach and a little bit more mozzarella on top. Now let's see how that thing works. So I just washed the inside a little bit. And then let's do it. Alright, so it says just to put the rack in it and put the pizza on top. And boom, it's done. Okay, so it said to put it on 350 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes, so we're going to do it for 7. Woo. Alright, I'll see you in 6 to 8 minutes then. It's ready! Woo! It's done! Oh my god, maybe I should never cook again. Alright, it's time for the taste test. Small bite. It's pretty good. Oh.